Here is how to put the multi-trader indicator onto TradingView. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the file that says multi-trader system indicator. You're going to Control A, Control C. So you're going to select all and then copy all, or you can do it manually, as most people do. Right click, copy, and then you're going to click on Pine Editor. You will clear whatever is on the screen and you'll press Control V or paste. Okay? Now it's pasted the multi-trader indicator on Pine Editor. And then what you can do is you can add it to your chart. You can save it. Okay? So you can save it as whatever you want to save it as. So you'll click on this little star and you can favorite it. You can click on Pine Editor to close the Pine Editor. And then if you go indicators, if we remove indicators and we click here and we go to indicators, favorite, multi-trader 2200 SMA, here it is. And basically what it says is when the price is below the 20-day moving average and below the 200-day moving average, the background goes red or light red. When the price is in between the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, the background is white, and that is where there are medium probability trades. When the price is above the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, the background is green, which states high probability trades can be searched for and they can line up. So green background means high probability trades, red background means high probability trades, and then you can just follow it. So that is what I use for the multi-trader indicator. You can also save the template. So you can save the indicator template if you want. You can say remember symbol, remember interval because it's 5 minutes, and you can go multi-trader 2200 system. And then you can click save. So then if we close this, and we went to the indicator templates instead, and we clicked on it, you have your multi-trader indicator on TradingView. Very simple.